Hi, John Chapin with your latest sales tip. And this tip involves one of the basic foundational traits for sales success. And I'm going to introduce this trait with a premise. And the premise is that the best in any field of endeavor are really good at the basics of what they do. The best companies, the best teams, the best individuals in anything, sports, entertainment, ditch digging, sales, you name it, the best are really good at the basics. So to get great at sales and selling, you've got to get back to the basic foundational principles that built a lot of the great companies many years ago. In fact, the same principles that made this country great many years ago. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears. No whining, no complaining, no entitlement. Just getting out there and getting it done every day specifically. A lot of hard work, self-discipline, and the right attitude. Now, in previous videos, I spoke about hard work and self-discipline. So in this one, I'll talk about the right attitude and what that looks like when it comes to sales and selling. So in sales and selling, the right attitude consists of several key components. A couple that come to mind right off the bat are grit and determination. You've got to have grit. You've got to be determined to win. Also, you've got to have passion. You need a dogged determination and a drive to succeed. You have to be extremely persistent. You have to follow through and follow up with people. I mean, 80% of salespeople only follow up with a lead 3 times or fewer. 81% of appointments are set after the 4th contact. You need a blue-collar mentality. You have to be hungry. You have to have a thick skin. You can't take things personally. You have to keep getting up no matter how many times you get knocked down. That drive is critical. You got to persist and persevere. Next, confidence. Belief in yourself, your product, your service, and belief that people need you and are better off because of you, that they need you more than the competition, and that you're worth it. The first sales to whom? Right, yourself. Whatever you're selling, if you have an opportunity to use it, you'd better be using it. If you're selling Cadillacs, you'd better be driving a Cadillac. You've got to be drinking the Kool-Aid. Next, you need conviction. You can't fold like a cheap suitcase or a lawn chair when someone comes up with an objection or brings up the competition. You've got to have great answers to the price objection and other objections. In fact, I should be able to wake you up at 3 a.m. without even thinking. You should be able to spit out a response to any of the objections you get on a daily basis. You've got to be able to build value. One of the biggest values, of course, is you. You are the one thing the competition does not have. Next, under attitude, you've got to watch out for beliefs, specifically disempowering beliefs, excuses, and negatives. First, with regard to disempowering beliefs, those are the ones that are holding you back. You want to question and eliminate disempowering beliefs. Any belief that doesn't lead you to goals has to go. A good rule to follow here is only do that and believe that which moves you toward your goals. Next, watch out for excuses. Whatever excuse you have, 8 billion people on the planet, someone's at it worse and overcome it. Just like disempowering beliefs, you want to question and eliminate excuses. Next, negatives. This includes negative people, but negativity will drag you down faster than anything else. Look, you cannot watch the evening news and be positive. We're like computers, garbage in, garbage out. Watch what you let into your brain, and if a negative thought gets in there, find something positive, talk to someone positive, and replace any negative thoughts with a positive thought. A positive thought and a negative thought can't occupy your brain at the same time. Regarding negative people, we need to spend less time with negative people. They will drag you down like a boat anchor. Get rid of the negative people in your life or spend less time with them. Find positive people to hang out with. You are the average of the 5 people you hang out with the most. Next, personal and professional development. You've always got to be learning and growing personally and professionally and getting better. Finally, physical health, working out, getting the right amount of sleep, your diet, all keys there. Okay, so those are the components of a great attitude and some of the things that will help you have a great attitude when it comes to selling. If you haven't already, watch the other 2 videos on the 2 foundational traits, which are the hard work and the self-discipline. If you have these 3 in place, you have a great attitude, you're working hard on the right things, you have the self-discipline, you do the right things day in, day out, you'll have a good foundation upon which to build your sales success and overall success in general. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to CompleteSelling.com. If you like this video, do me a favor and hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video.